Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to add new payment method for your peer-to-peer trading. That is, if you have become a Binance peer-to-peer merchant now. So how to add new payment method for your peer-to-peer trading. Now, becoming peer-to-peer cryptocurrency merchant is easy with Binance peer-to-peer trading platform. Please, if at the end of this video you find it very useful and helpful to you, subscribe to the channel to help me to grow the channel faster, and hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving my new videos. Now, how to add new payment method for peer-to-peer trading. You know, if you don't know how to get to this place, after you log in into your account, you over on trade and click on peer-to-peer. It will bring you to this page. Now, to add new payment, you click on more, and click on payment method. Click on payment method, more, click on this more, then payment method. Now when you get to this page, scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see add payment method. Add a payment method. Let's click on it. Now from here, now it's displaying list of my bank that I can add. If I want bank transfer, any Access Bank, Eco Bank, First Bank of Nigeria. This one here, it will display your local bank. This is because I'm in Nigeria. If you're in another country, if you're in Ghana, if you're in USA, if you're in Great Britain, if you're in Ireland or in Scotland, it will display your local bank information here. So from here now, you can continue. Or if you want to know, you can click more. Click more. You can see when I click more, click on more. It only shows these are the recommended option for me. So if I want more option apart from the recommended, so you can see, so you can choose according to the reference of the option. Let's say the option that I'm looking for is in G. I can click on this G so that it will show me references that are on G alone. You can see I have Gov Bank here now, showing me Gov Bank. So if I want, if it is on K, I'll click on K. You see Kuwait Finance. So over 150 payment method is in this platform, and you can add up to 20 payment method to your own merchant account. You can add up to 20 payment method to your own merchant account. So if you want to, if you, immediately you open your account, you need to add your payment method. What I'm saying is that immediately you become a P2P merchant once your application has been granted and it has been successful. So you add payment method to your merchant account, and this video discussed about how to add a new payment method to your P2P trading merchant account. So thank you very much. If you find this video very helpful and useful to you, please don't hesitate to share it with your friend, and like the video, comment on the video, and if you have any question, put it on the comment section. I will go through it and answer you. And if eventually you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I release a new video. Thank you very much.